Hi, welcome to Cliff Jones RV, Texas best prices, no hidden fees. What do I have behind me? A brand new floor plan from America's #1 most trusted travel trailer, the Cherokee Forest River. This is the 29TB. If you're looking for a super sweet bunkhouse, hey, look no further. Follow me. So when you walk inside, you're absolutely greeted to this lovely interior. It's honestly a home away from home. So you get solid surface countertops, you get residential style sinks. Look how deep and wide that is. Absolutely ridiculous. You also get the handy dandy cup cleaner as well. Now, with this extra countertop space, which I know you're going to be putting your coffee maker on, you also get a 3 stove top burner, and they have an oven already built in. And of course, you got to have the microwave. You always have that. Now, a nice feature with this already includes solar panels on top, which recharges your battery. And what will that 12-volt battery run? It'll run things like your fridge right here. It'll run your lights. It'll run your awning. It'll run your slide. So, nice handy feature about this, takes 45 minutes to fully cool down. I'd like to point out, nothing really in there taking up space. Nice part about this unit is besides the refrigerator not taking up much space, they give you a ton of space for things like storage. As you can see right behind this TV section here, which by the way comes with a TV, you get cable and satellite, you get a great storage space right here, and you'll find plenty of storage spaces similar to this one right here throughout this unit. You also get a built-in vac system right there. You can use the hose or you can use the nozzle. And hey, what do you have right there, right next to the TV, comfortably? It's almost Christmas time. I know we're skipping October, Halloween, but you get this furnace, heats up 20 degrees more than the outside air alone. Also has a really cool effect on it, but comfortably placed in front of that. And I love this new setup they did, by the way. You get either a theater couch setup right here, or you can have room for one more person. Or hey, if you want to take a nap and watch some TV during the day or at night, it'll easily convert into an extra bed space for you. Look at that. Already got a comfy pillow section set up here, but you know me, I'm going to use a MyPillow. Now, moving over this way, you have a chilly style dinette, and the nice part about this is it fits the whole family. It's a full wrap around here, so you can enjoy your meal. Hey, enjoy it maybe doing some work, or enjoy the TV right here, but whenever you're ready to kick back, if you need some extra bed space, this will drop down and convert into actually a full bed right here, which is really nice. With this extra space here, get more sleeping room, perfect for adults, kids, room to grow. And besides that, of course, if they can fit it, they're gonna add it. That's Forest River's motto. You're just gonna find absolutely tons of storage going throughout. Now, right behind me, what do I have? Of course, the master bedroom. Now, you get a queen size bed, easy access from both sides, and the amount of space you get to move around in here is absolutely immaculate. You also get cable connects in here so you can enjoy a TV, and this front window is absolutely phenomenal. You can wake up to your adventure right there, or hey, black it out. You got the blackout shades, super easy. Now, another nice thing, you get a hydraulics to hold up the bed. So if you need extra storage, you can put stuff under there, neatly organized as well. And hey, it's not a lot of work on your arms too. It's just easy access. That's the nice thing about these. Sit them down, park them, get set up, easy access. Now, moving this way, whew. 2 seconds to catch my breath. All right, moving this way. In this bathroom here, it takes up the full 8 feet of the RV. What does that mean? You actually get countertop space. You actually get storage space in here. You actually get leg room when you're on the toilet, so you're not cramped in here. And also, I'm 6 foot tall, so broad-shouldered. You get plenty of headroom in here, especially with this raised up just slightly a little bit more than the standard. And also, look at this broad shoulder. I got plenty of room to move around. Now, the shining star of this unit. This is just so cool. You have a privatized bunk room in here. Now, what can this be besides a bunk room? Hey, a hangout room, because when these bunks are raised up, you got a TV section right here with cable. You can enjoy yourself, or hey, when you're ready to kick it down for the night, these will easily drop down for you. They're on a hydraulic setup, so you'll bring both beds down right there, and you'll be able to easily relax in the middle of the night. So, as you can see, it easily drops down. Hydraulics just makes everything so easy for you. You also have a great back exit way right over here. So if you do need to bring in an extra storage or make a quick getaway, you can easily do that. And it locks up as well. Oh, and I'd like to point out, this bottom here will also pull out into a bed space as well. Let's go check out the outside of the RV real quick. Thanks for walking back out with me, y'all. So that gives me a chance to show you how beautiful this thing is, not just on the inside, but on the outside. You get a fiberglass build here. It's gonna be a lot lighter weight, a lot stronger material for you as well while you're going down the road. And ease of access, just like we were talking inside. You get powered tongue jacks, you get powered stabilizer, and hey, what's right next to your stabilizer jacks? An immaculate front storage right here. Look how giant that is. Normally I'd say Kong size, but hey, we're gonna add the king to that Kong size right here. Immaculate storage space on the front. And of course, like I was saying, stabilizer. You got a leash last for your best friend. And while you're outside, of course, you gotta have the grill. They already have the flat top for you, which is the perfect way to make smash burgers on your trip, I'll tell you. You also get a nice mini fridge. You gotta keep your lemonade stored in there whenever you're hanging out, right under this beautiful awning section here, right here. And now another nice feature I'd like to just point out, we do have a service and parts department available here on site Monday through Fridays. We are a one-stop shop. We can get everything done for you from sales to finish. So if you need a backup camera on an awesome model like this, which Forest River was so nice to pre-wire it already, you just need to buy the camera. We have a parts department available for you. And we have a great service team that can do full installs, they can do walkthroughs for you, they can do warranty work, absolutely anything that you need here at Cliff Jones RV. So we are a one-stop shop, we're family owned and operated, and we'd love to get you into an awesome RV such as this today. Give us a call for Texas Best Price, no hidden fees. We're in Sealy, Texas. Thank you, have a great day.